What's up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. Today, well, we have a new Casio, a new to me. We have a Casio to open. In fact, I'm already wearing it on my wrist, kind of. So this is the F-91W, very iconic Casio watch, one of the most sold watches of all time. I think it outsells the Rolex 3-to-1 every year. So yeah. Very cool. This is the F-91W-1CR. And we're going to take it right out of the box. This particular model is the original black model. So one I've never owned before. I've had this model in black and gold. I have it in white. The one that was black and gold was actually counterfeit. And it's on my old channel, that video. I never did put it on the new channel, but I'll show you a clip real quick. So then, when I ordered this one, the F-91W that everybody loves, again, 80s looking watch, 80s inspired watches from the 80s as well, I was like, yay, add it to my collection. Well, there's a slight problem with that. Besides the fact that here we go. Let me see what's wrong with this. It says Casio. It says F91W. It's vintage. But it didn't come in a Casio box. It came in this envelope. And they're selling it as new. I don't think this is a legit Casio because the band is tiny. The watch is tiny. Look how much room I don't have. I have a 6.5-inch size wrist, and I have almost no band left. That's a problem. Again, I don't have 100% proof, but I will screenshot some of the comments from the Amazon listing, and I'm far from the only one who thinks that these are not legit Casio watches. And I paid $30 for this watch just for it to not fit. And that's just wrong. Yeah, as you can see, it was counterfeit. I probably should have did the Casio test. I didn't think about that, so after I'd already sent it back. And if you don't know what the Casio test is, let me show you. So you press and hold the right button, right? And it says Casio. That's how you know it's authentic. Because believe it or not, this $20 watch is counterfeited quite often. So this is obviously, I think, a genuine Casio. The one, like I said, the black and gold one I just showed you, it didn't come on a stand. It didn't come in a box like this one did. It just came in a white bag, and it was very suspicious. So we'll do the Casio test, and it's genuine. It says Casio. That being said, let's go ahead and get it off of the stand. And I'm not going to even bother putting it on, and I'll tell you why. The band on this thing is so small for my wrist. I have a 7-inch wrist. It is so small that it barely fits. It's like, I think right here, the second to last notch is how tight it fits on my wrist. I'm not gonna worry about it. That's why I have an aftermarket on this one. Plus, I like this band better. It's more comfortable than the resin band. I thought ahead, and I bought a band with this watch on Amazon. They both came at the same time in the same box. So we're gonna go ahead and put this band on now, and then we're gonna try the wrist. So let me take this band off. And yeah, like I said, I'm just not a fan of the OG bands on these watches, which is no big deal because what I do is I take the band and put it on eBay, and people who are restoring these watches buy them. I sold this white band as soon as I put it up. It was like gone within like 5 hours. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing with this band as well. So no big deal. All right, let me get the watch tool. Where did I put the watch tool? Oh, here it is. And we are just going to first move the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Set my phone off to the side. And we're just going to pop it through the hole like so. And this should just come right out pretty easily. Okay, well, so far, I'm wrong. I'm trying not to... I have damaged a couple of F-105W watches in the past because these pins aren't always the easiest to come out. You know, I may just put this in a watch holder. Let me get my watch holder real quick. This is why you have a toolbox. Hi, kitty. Okay, let me see. All right. It's just with force, right? But you don't want to do too much force because then you can damage the lug hole. Yeah, it's just... the arrow's going the right way. It's just never... I can see it trying to come out. It just has to just like give in, you know? That's all. And I'm trying not to put too much force because I want to destroy the watch like I've done with two F-105Ws. I'll show you. Yeah. The lug hole on this F-105W is like destroyed. Let me zoom. That's not zoom. There we go. You can kind of see it. But yeah, that lug hole is ruined. So, the watch still works. It just ruined the lug hole. Anyway, getting off topic, let me go back and come on, there we go. And then let me just poke it the rest of the way through. It should come out no problem now, so. Hard to grab. There we go. Okay, so one is off. And now I'll get the other one off. It's trying. It's like I just need a little bit more leverage or something. I don't know. Okay, it's coming towards the end, so that's good. I just need it just to give in. And I'm applying pressure, but again, I'm trying not to destroy the lug hole like I've done with the F-105W. So I apply a little pressure and then I back off and hope for the best. There we go. And then once it's out, it's no big deal. So cool. Now, obviously, I have it set to a weird mode at the moment just because I've been pressing buttons. But there it is, the F-105W. I'm sorry, F-91W. I've been talking about the 105 so much for the last couple minutes. Let's go ahead and put on the new strap. This is a company I've never tried. They were sold out of the 18mm walkie straps currently because they're very popular on Amazon. It's one of the most sold straps on Amazon. It's really well made. And for $6, I see why they're sold out. So this one is from Bison Strap, but it's also 18mm. And it says it was midnight black. But I noticed there's a little bit of color in it. So hopefully it looks okay. Yeah, I think it'll look fine. It's got a little bit of orange, a little bit of gray, a little bit of blue. But I think, yeah, it'll match up fine. So not a big deal. they were sold out of the just regular black. So I went with midnight black. So it's got a little bit of color in it, but it's okay. Not a big deal. So this will be easy to install. So I'm just going to put the bottom on first, like I always do. There we go. One side. Then just like that. New band is installed. And so now I'm going to set the time. There we go. Time is set. 11:29, 11:29. And last thing we're going to do is try it on. Let me zoom out if I can. There we go. Yeah, so the last thing we're going to do is just try it on. So, taking off the white F-91W. And applying the new F-91W. Just like that. And yes, that is Velcro. Or hook and loop as they call it. But yeah, there it is. Very nice below. But yeah, there it is. Very nice. So I will link this below. I will link the band below as well. And yeah, I'm very happy. So I'm gonna rock this and enjoy it. Not bad for 20 bucks. And then the band was like another 6 or 7. So no big deal. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.